Hey, coming to you live for another video. This one we're actually shooting in studio, a little bit different than our previous. And today what we're going to do is we're really going to take a look at a video together and we'll go through it together. It's another sovereign citizen video, one where the judge kind of sets this guy straight, which those are my favorite videos. I like a strong judge who's really going to lay the hammer down. Today's video is brought to you by Patent Legal Services. As always, it's my business, process serving nationwide. Another thing, guys, is the coffee is pretty strong today. We're coming in with some Black Rifle coffee. If you guys have coffee suggestions for me, I'm a big coffee connoisseur. I like to try different coffees. Let me know what your favorite coffee is, because I'm definitely going to need this to continue getting through my day. Let's take a look.
81-year-old Howard Patton is accused of custodial interference, criminal impersonation, and forgery. A second-degree kidnapping charge has also been filed against him.
Hey guys, I just want to go ahead and make mention this guy's last name is Patton. There's no relation at all, not from Washington. So just want to throw that out there. Definitely not related to me.
3 days earlier, a social worker notified Spokane police that a teenage girl was missing from her foster home. She'd been placed there after her father, Daniil Bagmet, was arrested and charged with assault for strangling her. It was also determined that her mother, 51-year-old Galina Bagmet, couldn't protect the girl from her father. The foster parents claim that the girl's mother came to their home with Patton, who said he was a lawyer. Patton gave them what appeared to be legal documents that threatened them with execution by firing squad, among other things, if they didn't return the child to Bagmet.
Okay, execution by firing squad. These people that he gave this letter to were from a different country, so they may not have understood the law in the United States, but that's a big red flag. Obviously, I think it's kind of comical he has the same last name as I do, and he's showing up with legal documents. That's kind of funny. Of course, he has to act like a lawyer, right? Because every sovereign citizen, they're certified lawyers. They'll take your pro bono cases all day, I bet. I just thought that was comical. Execution by firing squad. That's interesting.
Today, Patton is before Spokane Court Commissioner John Stein to determine probable cause in the case and to set bond. Patton, who identifies himself in court papers as a sovereign American national, employs a standard sovereign citizen opener, quibbling over his name as the hearing gets started.
Is this the Howard Patton Trust you're talking about? I'm appearing as a living man.
Sir, I don't want to hear any of your constitutionalist crap. I mean, just save it for somebody else who's stupid and believes in that.
That judge is awesome. The fact that he just says, save your constitutional crap for somebody else who's stupid. I love that. I wish there was more judges that would be harder on these guys.
You're here on charges of second-degree kidnapping. I found probable cause for that offense.
It's unclear that Mr. Patton was actually the one who took the youth away from the home physically. And I'm looking at these and we don't have firing squads. This is not something that is going to happen. And there were no direct threats made other than what was in this paperwork.
Obviously, anybody who's familiar with the court system at all can tell all this paperwork he gave to these people is total nonsense. However, if you're not familiar with court paperwork, and I realize this was a Russian family, they may not know much about the United States, and somebody who claims to be a lawyer handing them what they're claiming is legal documents, threatening them with being deported and property confiscation and all kinds of other malarkey may take it seriously. I will set the $150,000 bond. That's all for today.
That really worked out for him. That really worked out well. He thought he could tell the judge he didn't have authority. That's always another common sovereign citizen tactic they like to use. They always quote maritime law. So I always find that to be very interesting.
Is I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty.
You don't have the power, sir. For the record, you do not have the authority to dictate or conduct law from the bench.
Patton remains in Spokane County Jail, awaiting trial.
Well, what'd you guys think about that video? I thought it was definitely another sovereign citizen that kind of learned his lesson in court. Clearly, it looked like he remained in jail and didn't get his way. It's just, it never ceases to amaze me. There's like endless content of just sovereign citizens that all across the country. So it's not just limited, I feel like, to one area. I see these videos from all over the United States, possibly even other countries as well. So if you guys have any videos on your end that you think are awesome, I haven't reviewed or covered, send them in. Be happy to take a look at them and put them on our channel. As always, guys, I appreciate you tuning in. And remember, stay alive, stay vigilant. Thanks for tuning in. You'll never know what we're going to pop up next week. Have a good day.